Righto, since my last video, I've sold my MVC 110 and went without a postie for a while. Sort of regretted it and went and bought a CT110 2006 model. This is it here. So, got the white walls, got the ape hangers, motor's out of it at the moment because I'm doing a 140 big bore kit. So I'll show you what I've done. I'm just going to do a time-lapse video because it gets pretty boring. And I'm going to trial possibly 2 cylinder heads. We'll see how it goes. Nice and quick. There's the old barrel. Pretty standard. New barrel, new piston, new timing chain, tensioner, and I've got a new stator as well to go in it. This is my cylinder head that I've ported the intake and exhaust slightly, not a great deal, and I have a brand new, or not brand new, but a Rico cylinder head here, which I'm going to test that one as well. We'll see how we go for time. Okay, GoPro battery's flat, that's charging, engine's all together. I'm just putting on the 16 tooth. It did have a 15, but I think with the extra cubes, this will give us a bit more top speed and drop the RPM a little bit. Big ball kit's all done. You have to take it for a test ride. Alright, so we pulled the cover off. We've taken the top out of the carby. So it's running 11.5 AFRs up top, which is too rich. So basically we've got to drop this needle down further so it doesn't pull as much from the main jet under wide open throttle. What do you reckon, Kyle?
Oh,
Hey? Hey, go off. So Postie's all done. Big bore kit's fitted, 16 tooth front sprocket. Standard jetting, but I have dropped the needle down as far as it'll go, so it's in the full lean position with standard jetting. It's still a little bit too rich, but I have got some more jets coming to play around with the carby a bit more. So the guy that supplied the big bore kit for me was Warwick Penfold. I suggest if you want one and you're in Australia, look him up. Really knows his stuff. He supplied the jet, he supplied everything for me. Gaskets, the lot. Cylinder head. So yeah, I'll show you the graphs now anyway. So this is standard, the 15 tooth front sprocket, makes 5.4 horsepower, and the blue one is with a 16 tooth front sprocket, and it makes 7.6 horsepower. You can see the mixtures here. It's 11.0 sort of at the start of the run, and it goes up to nearly 11.5 at the end of the run, so it's still way too rich to make power. So why not change that main jet? I'm going to put it back on the dyno and give it another run. I will do a video of it being road tested and a bit of hill climbing and that. It's just not going to be today. The weather's just too shit. But yeah, stay tuned for that video.